Today's body cam unfolds like a thriller. A calm walk in the park turns into a sudden confrontation as officers swarm a man they believe is armed with an axe. Yes, an axe. One vague description, one unverified tip, and suddenly everything escalates. What you're about to see is a real-time collision between police urgency and personal rights. Watch closely. The tone, the posture, the tension, because small details reveal big truths. Does reasonable suspicion justify everything that follows? Or did this stop cross the line the moment it began? Stay with me, because this one spirals fast.
5 minutes walking through the park.
Yeah, just turn around.
Seriously? Check the grounds first before you start doing this to me. I'm not refusing at all. I'm not refusing.
Turn around and put your hands behind your back.
What suspicion?
Fella, it's a really serious accusation. Listen,
mate, I'm walking through the park and
I get it, but if
I don't trust these guys.
I get it. Whatever your previous interactions with the police, whatever might be, just listen. Whatever. But if a gentleman come up to me with worried about the general public, because you worry about people, you've got a nan, you've got a...
What, so I have to give up my rights because
it's not a case of your rights.
I've heard this before. Mate, it's nothing to do with you, please.
I'd quite happily...
Well, mate, I'm not happy to do that because I don't trust these fellas here.
I'm just saying...
Pardon?
That's recording.
Yeah.
All I'm asking you to do is turn around and put your hands...
An axe?
All I'm saying is...
I'm a working man, I don't... What, are you using a certain law to do this to me? What, which one? Section 1 of PACE. Right, I can't do nothing about it.
Turn around, put your hands behind your back.
I can't do nothing about it, so... Mate, I'm not happy with this. I'm walking through a park. So you've handcuffed me as well?
Yep.
Seriously, mate?
It's for our safety and for your safety.
Mate, I can prove by my mobile phone data. I've just pulled up 2 minutes ago. I've been in Adlington filming.
Yeah.
My drone in my bag's going to prove this to you.
That's fine.
You've handcuffed me.
That's fine. A male matching your description has been spotted by members of the public to have an axe in their possession. Now, if we see someone matching that description,
mate,
we are therefore going to...
This is serious abuse of power, mate.
It's not.
I've been here 2 minutes. The camera should pick this up.
Right. Okay, what's your name, sir?
I'm not giving my name.
Okay, you don't have to, but we're going to detain you for the purpose of the search because, as I've already described, you match the description.
This is an illegal search, this, my friend.
It's not an illegal search at all. Just listen, you match the description of somebody seen at the back of the school heading into the park with an axe.
Right.
Okay, you're in the area, you match the description, so you're detained for the purpose of the search in section 1 of PACE.
And I'm handcuffed, which is an assault. I don't...
It's not an assault.
Did I refuse?
Listen.
Why did you put the handcuffs on me?
For my safety and yours.
I told you that I would no issue to you.
Listen, would you go...
Here's where things take a sharp turn. The officer drops the bombshell. A report of someone carrying an axe. Now legally, under Section 1 of PACE, officers see and stop and search if they have reasonable suspicion. The problem? Matching your description is often dangerously vague. It can mean height, clothing, or simply being nearby. And watch the suspect's reaction. Confused, defensive, but not hostile. That's important because courts look at behavior when considering whether the use of handcuffs was justified. Was this truly reasonable suspicion? Or was it a reflexive overreach triggered by fear?
Station at any time in the next 3 months.
Can I collect it here from Charlie?
Yeah.
I'm not happy with these handcuffs are digging into my skin.
Can you just grab put some gloves on and carry out search? If you got anything on you that you shouldn't have...
Nothing whatsoever, Constable. I can't believe you've walked up to me in the park.
Well, a male with an axe, we're going to, aren't we? We're going to come round.
If there was anybody...
And you've handcuffed me, and I've told you I've done nothing wrong.
Right. Listen, mate, if there was anybody else matching the same description, we'd be searching them as well. We're not just singling you out because we want to, it's because you're matching the description. So someone else that looked like...
I'm going to do a freedom of information request, so you're saying blue tracksuit pants and a black jacket?
Black hoodie, white male, black hoodie.
With a black balaclava.
Your height.
It's not balaclava.
Or black face covering.
It's a face covering.
What's in here?
This is my drone.
Your drone?
I've just come to Charlie to start flying some drone, right? I can't believe an axe.
Yeah.
Bloody hell.
What's your name?
Whose name?
Your name.
I'm not telling you my name.
Why not?
Why not?
Yeah.
Why should I tell you my name? I'm not...
This is a textbook example of tension between citizen distrust and police procedure. The man mentions he doesn't trust the officers, and whether you agree with him or not, that distrust is becoming increasingly common. What's critical is how the officer responds, not by de-escalating, but by doubling down and pushing toward handcuffs. Legally, Officers must justify handcuffing with a real risk of escape, harm, or destruction of evidence. But look at the body language. There's no aggression here. Courts often scrutinize moments like this when judging whether a detention crossed from lawful to excessive.
Who's not done any crimes, and that's what I can't understand. You've handcuffed me, and I've not showed any restraint, I've not showed any violence behaviour.
Well, you weren't willing to cooperate with me to start with.
I weren't willing to cooperate because I've not committed any crimes.
It's 36 miles.
It's a bit chilly today.
It is, and that's why I've got my hood up.
What's that?
It's a camera.
Oh, it's a gimbal camera.
Yeah. I've come to Chorley to do some filming and photography.
What have you been filming and photographing?
I've just been to Adlington, filming in Adlington.
Yeah, what?
Chimneys.
Chimneys? Why chimneys? An odd thing
Well,
to
what's...
say.
Mate, don't get offensive.
I'm getting
Aren't you
offensive.
saying I'm odd now?
I'm not saying you're
Can you
odd,
pull
I'm
that,
just saying
can you
it's
pull
a-
that down off my face, please? Because
What
I
down?
can't do that. Thank you.
There you go.
Seeing as you've handcuffed me.
Yeah. Not yet, he doesn't want to
I'm not giving detail. I'm not committing any crimes. He's using section 1 of PACE, someone matches my description, for an axe. And you allowing this, Sergeant?
He's awful.
Handcuffs change everything, both legally and psychologically. Once cuffs go on, this is no longer a casual stop. It becomes a full detention. The officer cites safety, but that term is often used broadly and inconsistently. For safety from what? The man is outnumbered, unarmed, and calm. In many lawsuit cases, whether handcuffs were necessary becomes a deciding factor in claims of unlawful detention or excessive force. This is also where public opinion tends to shift. Viewers see a compliant person, yet force is escalated. Remember, handcuffs aren't neutral. They are legally considered a use.
However, we do need details to record.
You don't need details whatsoever. Just do it under a number.
For me, please?
This is a violation.
Forward again.
Violation of my rights.
Not a violation.
It is, mate. You've handcuffed an innocent person walking through the park. I was just about to do some drone flighting, and you've detained and cuffed me. For what reason?
You've got license.
I've already explained.
Have I got a licence? None of your business.
Okay.
What's the drone got to do with this search? You really are irritating me now.
I'm all
Well, what's the license got to do with this? Bloody hell. Guys, I can assure you I do not carry axes.
Okay. Right, it's a negative search.
I knew it were going to be. That's why I wasn't reluctant to be going handcuffs for no
You
reason.
can understand why I've asked you to stop.
No understanding whatsoever.
So
It's a
you
negative
class it as
search.
well?
Yes,
So they'll have captured all of the Go Wisely, which I'm sure you will post online later.
it is going online, and this is
Yeah.
going to be a big fail for this.
Why is that?
Because I've done nothing wrong. I can prove off my mobile phone data that I've just travelled directly from Adlington. I was behind one of the police vans.
The phrase that shows up in thousands of stop and search complaints. But legally, a description must be specific enough to create real suspicion, not just a broad silhouette. Here we get black hoodie, blue joggers, face covering, but in winter, that describes half the park. Meanwhile, the accused calmly states he was drone filming in another town minutes earlier. What we see is a frustrating disconnect. The officers rely on a vague description. The man relies on verifiable evidence. In court, that contrast often becomes crucial in determining whether the suspicion was reasonable or
I've
rushed.
explained
Mate, I was in this park 2 minutes before you challenged me.
Hands down by your side and keep it there.
2 minutes in this park, 5 minutes tops. Don't you worry, I'm not a violent person. You don't need to stand off like that.
I'm picking it off in the approved method.
So look at that.
Yeah.
Handcuffs digged in me for what reason? Look at that.
You match the description of a male with an axe.
Look at that. That's what you get. Innocent person. We've got an inspector, 2 sergeants, and a PC. All witness this.
Okay, so it's been a pleasure.
And I didn't even give any threats whatsoever. There was no need for that.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. I'm doing what I come here to do. Fly me drone.
Okay, goodbye.
No goodbye whatsoever, I'm staying here.
Okay, right.
You goodbye.
Leave it to it.
Like you should do in the first place. So there you go, Lancashire Police finest. Cuff an innocent man in a park. Look at him. Jobsless. I'm not happy. Not happy whatsoever. So look, they're looking at. Why do I have to be handcuffed for that? So guys, that has literally just boiled my blood. Absolutely boiled my blood. My fucking wrists are killing me as well. Look at that.
And there it is. The search comes back completely negative. No axe, no weapon, not even suspicious items. This is the moment that often devastates police credibility. When an officer insists their actions were justified, yet the justification collapses under reality, the public asks, was the suspicion ever strong enough to begin with? The man immediately references his mobile data, drone footage, and timestamps, things officers could check before handcuffs. But the damage is done. In lawsuits, this moment, the clean search, is where judges often begin questioning every decision leading up to it.
Had to print a copy of the search with a
Why does an officer stop you then and talking to you?
Yeah, he searched me, handcuffed me, detained me,
Okay.
and he said I can go around now for a copy of the search.
Oh, I don't know, I'm not sure. I'll have a chat. What's your name, please?
Oh, I want to remain anonymous, you know.
Fair enough. Let me have a look at the log because we don't print off stop and search forms or receipts here. But I'll try and find out who's dealt with it.
All right, thank you very much, sir.
Second now.
Thank you, thank you.
There you go, sir.
Thank you
One-stop search form.
Thank you very much.
Right, pleasure to meet
Was there need for the handcuffs though,
Yeah.
sir? Seriously?
Yeah.
I wasn't showing.
No, with an axe. Yeah.
Oh come on, I had my arms
I
up.
don't know that, do I? You could have it down your pants. You could have it in your bag.
My friend,
I would much rather put somebody in handcuffs if there's a potential axe than end up with an axe on top of my head. Wouldn't
Yeah.
you?
Yeah, but come on, man. I've been peaceful.
Never met you before, or have I?
Serious?
Before I with an axe, of course I'm going to take every precaution possible, and I'm not going to apologise for that.
You're not.
No.
My wrists are killing, sir.
Oh, bless you. You can go to A&E, all right?
Ser-
Bye-bye.
Seriously?
Seriously.
That's the wrong attitude, sir. Tough shit? Now that's swearing. If I said that to you, mate, I'd be done for public order. Wrong attitude. Totally. Tough shit. We prove them every time. If you want to talk about police and all that.
Physical harm from handcuffs isn't just discomfort. It can be legally significant. When someone shows marks or pain caused by cuffs during a questionable stop, it strengthens claims of excessive force. Notice how the officers don't acknowledge the marks or even offer a basic welfare check. That indifference matters. Courts examine whether officers showed reasonable care after applying force, and here they simply walk away. The emotional tone also shifts. Frustration, anger, humiliation. This is where encounters like this leave lasting psychological damage, and where many lawsuits are born.